Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can record your slideshows in PowerPoint with webcams. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have a blank new slideshow open. This is completely unedited. I just launched PowerPoint, and you might see that my version of PowerPoint is a bit outdated. This is a 2010 version, and this sadly does not have webcam capabilities. However, it does have a recording capability, which I will show you now, and I will, through my own words, explain what you have to do to enable your webcam. It is very simple. There are videos online if you want to check them out, but without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in the main page here, and I'm in the home tab in the top of my screen. What you want to do is to go into your slideshow after you've set everything up, and as you can see, you have this record slideshow button. Now, for me, it looks like a stopwatch with an arrow. To you, it'll look like a screen icon with a red dot. You just want to click on that, or if you want to set everything up, you just want to click this sort of down arrow menu button below it, and then you can either start recording from the beginning or from the current slide. As far as I'm aware, this is the same in the newer versions as of now, and if you want to actually record it, you just click on the button, and then you'll get sort of a setup menu. I get this, which is really basic. However, if you have a newer version, you'll have a color bar way down where you can draw over your screen. You'll have your record, stop, and pause buttons in the top left. At the very top, you'll have your own speaker notes if you've set them up, so you'll be able to make them or launch them. And in the top right, you'll have this sort of speaker icon with a cog right next to it. That is the settings button, and you want to click on that and hit it there. You want to pick your webcam and your microphone. Once you've done that, you have the option to enable them in the bottom right. You just have to click the icons and make sure that the microphone and the webcam button are not blocked out, or that they are not crossed out. And once you do that, you can just press the record button in the top left. In my case, it is just start recording, and as you can see, you can display your slideshow in a recording like so. For me, it's this recording bar in the top left. However, you'll have that entire UI and that entire screen with you. But yeah, pretty much this is what it looks like. If I click, it'll stop and it'll bring me to this here menu, which is basically just an overview of all your slides, the timings, and everything else in the recording. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.